worried your art's gonna suck, because it probably will. What I mean is, your art probably will suck for a little while at least. But it's okay, it's totally normal. In the same way that you probably weren't very good at other things when you started learning. But I have some advice that I think is really gonna help you. Think about walking or talking or eating or using YouTube for that matter. Nobody is born knowing how to do these things, and when you first start to learn, no one's very good at them. Painting is exactly the same. Seriously, I started painting like 10 years ago with my then 2-year-old's $2 watercolor paints from the supermarket. Let's just say those first paintings are not on Instagram. But do you know what I've learned over the last 10 years? With practice, things get easier. Like, think about how easy it is to navigate YouTube. Painting is no different. So yeah, you probably won't be any good at painting at first. But neither was I, and neither was anybody else. But do you know what you will be good at? Improving constantly, learning, and having fun, which is the whole point anyway. So I really, really encourage you to lean into being messy and just learning and having fun and experimenting, because all of that is what makes you get better at something. Seriously, all you need is a little bit of patience, a cup of tea and a bicky every now and again to sustain you, and a little bit of guidance, which is where I come in with my videos. Your painting will get better over time. And the best bit is you're gonna have fun while you're doing it. So now that you're ready to sink your teeth into watercolor, I've got a playlist set up ready for you. Click here to watch it and get started.